Here I've got ZTE Axon 9 Pro, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So at first you have to open your phone dialer and then enter a secret code, which is *#06#. And as you can see here, you've got both IMEI numbers assigned to your device. Click on OK to go back. And if you would like to open both IMEI numbers and also serial number, you have to open the settings at first. Then scroll down, find and pick System, go to the About Phone, scroll down a bit. And now under Model, you can locate serial number. And then a bit lower, you've got your IMEI numbers. So that would be all. This is how you can smoothly and easily locate both unique numbers assigned to your device, to your ZTE Axon. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.